Hey everyone, here's just a friendly reminder how you're going to work with the worksheets that go along with our new story. So you'll go to classwork and it will always be SideWay stories, chapters intro 1 and 2. So you've already listened and read them. Okay, so you're going to go to your Google Slides, you're going to view assignment, and then you're going to work on these worksheets. You'll see where you can type in. So you'll be able to edit here, type in what you need to, okay? When you finish, so you have 3 worksheets. They're very simple for your work today. Then when you are done, you're going to go back. Remember, it saves, and then you're going to turn it into me. So I will make my edits, pretend this is my assignment. I'm done. It saves automatically. Remember, it says all changes saved to Drive. I go, and then I turn it in. I turn in, and you're done your work. And you only do that once you're done the 3 worksheets. Something to keep in mind, make sure when you're answering questions, I know we don't type a ton in the classroom, but it's becoming our new normal, that we're still typing in complete sentences, just like a 4th grader would do. Thank you for all your hard work. I look forward to seeing your answers.